Shit, my bad. I was muted. Yeah, I'm just getting to the charts now. I wasn't able to get anything. Usually on Sunday opens, I try to stay away from the charts as much as possible. But yeah, that was a big drop on silver, man. I just hate the fact that I missed it. Big drop on silver. Well, let's see. We can see if we can kind of get filled here on gold without too much of a hassle, without it missing me and bouncing. But I guess we'll see, because I don't see no setup on silver, so I'm not paying attention to it. But I'm definitely gonna pay attention to gold. Hey, yo, what's up, Cave Trader? I'm not even gonna trip on it, man, because you know what? I'm just not gonna get emotionally involved or emotionally caught up. If it misses me, then you know, I guess it just missed me, you know, and it bounces. Man, dude, I don't know, man. I don't know. Shit, you know, redo it. We gotta do it that way. Yeah. I mean, I'm not surprised by that, man. I'm not surprised by that. I'm not surprised by that. I'm not surprised by that. I'm not surprised. I'm not. I'm not surprised. All right. So ain't no point being even upset about that shit neither, because it's just what gold does. For whatever reason, if you got a miss sitting, for whatever reason, it just chooses to miss it. And then if it does get filled, it likes to try to be cute about it. So we'll find something else. I mean, if this one doesn't work, we'll find something. Hey, what's up, Tony? Very, 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 very. I mean, it would have been nice, you know. It would have been nice. $5.19. Okay, so if it does push us higher here, I'll just take a short at this range, I guess. Since I mean, it hasn't pushed up yet, but I mean, it would just be nice. It just would have been nice if this thing would have filled and then, you know, bounced. That would have been nice, but maybe that's just too much to ask from gold. Maybe it's just too much to ask. How's everybody doing tonight, though? Hopefully you've done some back testing, found clarity in your strategy. I'm looking at what the Nasdaq did at the open. You know, I haven't heard from Smith. Actually, let me see if he's on. Actually, let me see if he's on. Okay, because he caught that push at the open with Nasdaq. And the last thing I told him was not to jump into this thing because you already know how the Nasdaq is. Just wait for the next setup. And but I mean, I know my trading partner at this point. I have to tell them this as his trading partner, but I haven't heard from him. And usually when he goes radio silence, I already know what that means. So hopefully he hasn't given back his gains because I think he made about $2,500 at the open with Nasdaq. So hopefully it's not the other way around. Hopefully. Man, that's so dirty, gold. That's so dirty, man. That's dirty. Okay. That's dirty, man. That's dirty. That's That is so dirty, man. All right. Okay. That is so dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Because I was looking for this move right here. Of course, gold wouldn't give that to me, of course. Damn, gold. Damn, dude. Damn, you couldn't let your boy get into this? You couldn't let your boy get into this, man. All right. All right. So hopefully, I'm not looking for a reversal in this short. I'm just hoping that, I mean, I think this is, I think they're gonna run that. They're gonna probably run this. Honestly, they're gonna probably run it. They're gonna probably run it. They're gonna probably run it. All this bullish momentum going higher. I mean, that's the one thing about damn. Damn. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Hmm. I mean, if it comes back down, I mean, if it comes back down, I mean, that shit comes back down. That's not going to be a good trade. I don't think. I don't think that's going to be. Hopefully the shorting gods would at least reject. Like right here, I'm not looking for a reversal. I'm just hoping that the bears actually step up here, man. After missing this long, I mean, it was so close. I wonder why. It was so close. Okay. $21. No, yeah, I don't think that. Yeah, because if it breaks above 35, that's definitely gonna. I mean, if it breaks above this high, we're definitely gonna see a squeeze higher. This will definitely squeeze higher. We got equal highs here. We have all this resting buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity resting above these highs. You know, honestly, what I'm hoping for here is that potentially this could be. I don't think it will work that perfect though. It wouldn't work that perfect. She needs to long. Are you in? You're in long right now. Yeah. Damn, look at that. He said, unfortunately. I mean, dude, I mean, I would have been in this long with you if it filled my order here, but I guess just tonight I just didn't decide to come all the way down back into this little area right here. Decided to kind of, yeah. So, I mean, I think your long is good, man. I think you should be good. I'm just looking for a rejection. I hope I'm hoping that the bulls are going to take profits in this area, so I can get like a quick rejection. Just a quick rejection. That's all I'm looking for here. A rejection after my target gets filled. I want to be very clear about that. Or my entry gets filled. My entry. Yeah, probably. Well, actually, where are you long at? I guess because I'm assuming that you're long here, somewhere in this pullback area. Did you long it on the way up on this impulsive leg right here? Gold, that was just so dirty, man, for not filling my resting buy limit. Why? It was so dirty. You say, oh, you got in earlier? Okay, so you may be underwater right now, is what you're saying. Where exactly are you in at? I think this thing. I think the market breaks up. I think she breaks higher here. 528. Oh shit, that's exactly what I'm trying to get short. And no disrespect taken, man. Dang, why'd you get in so high? 528. Well, it's so it can either go one or two ways here, Tony. Either she's going to reject, but I do think that if she does reject, then they'll buy the pullback and it'll go higher and squeeze higher, or we're going to squeeze past these highs. I mean, it's one or the other right now. It's 50-50 at your entry. But they are building some support in this area. I mean, we got higher highs. I'm sorry, we have higher lows here. So if it does reject, I do expect them to buy it back up. We had a big drop on Friday, so I mean, they're definitely going to try to buy back this. I mean, we're going to recover majority of this move for sure. There's no way. Yeah, we're going to recover. You know, it's interesting how we have this war going on and gold is not. It's like, yeah, whatever. Yeah, whatever. Heard it all before. And gold is doing nothing right now. Shit, if the energy prices, if energy collapses in terms of, they're talking about $200 a barrel. Like I said before, this is the reason why prices went up during COVID, because of energy. Energy is the foundation of everything. Everything. Nothing moves without energy. Even your body does not move without energy. It's the foundation of everything. If energy rises, I mean, we're already seeing it. We're already seeing truckers talking about going bankrupt, committing insurance fraud because they're not able to keep up with the payments. I've seen truckers talking about $1,400+ to fill up their tanks. And the prices that they're spending on their energy, on fuel, it's eating into them profits. So, you say you was up 30 ticks? Yeah. You gotta watch out for them double tops, man. You gotta watch out for those double tops. Gold does not break out the first time. She probably won't even break out the second time, man. The safest way to trade a breakout is to allow it to happen and trade the pullback. Hold on, guys. Give me one moment. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. All right, man. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Man, tough night, man. Tough night. Mm, tough night. Tough night. What made you get out? You say you got in at 48.96. What made you get out? Or actually, a better shit. That was actually a pretty good. Yeah, that's a pretty good entry, man. What made you get out of it? Cause shit, you would have been at the well. Yeah, I mean, shit, that was a good entry, man. Shit, no wonder why you revenge trade up here. That was a great entry you had, man. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna pull this order because obviously I don't want to get into that. If I mean if this move comes all the way back down, then yeah, I'm SOL on that. I mean, hopefully, if this thing if it crashes down, then I'm gonna pull these orders too because man, I'm gonna pull these orders too. I just come back tomorrow. It looks like, man. All right. All right. All right. All right, gold. All right. All right. All right. If it touches the 200 EMA, I'll pull these orders. All right. I mean, getting a lot of volume, a lot of selling pressure in gold right here. Looks like the bears are trying to sell this thing. Yeah, trying, but You know, honestly, I would have preferred to have gotten filled long than trying to hope that the Bears come in, because we all know the Bears suck. You know the Bears suck, but I mean, where else? I mean, if this is the Bears' last defense in this area. It's their last defense. If they don't hold this, we're squeezing higher, and I'll be sad because I'll be a liquidity donation to the gold market. I just hate the fact that it missed me short right here too. It's like, man, like, just can't get a win tonight. The thing missed me long and it missed me short. Well, I guess technically I still have a chance because it still hasn't. I mean, we still haven't seen that breakdown yet, but I mean the Bulls are still trying to push this higher. But I mean, it does look like the Bears are super gonna sell this down. That's what it does look like, that, doesn't it? Oh yeah, and I got 20 more minutes in this position. So I have 20 more minutes, and then I have to close this because this is my funded account. So you already know, like, for whatever reason, and when you get in the funded account, the market likes to act stupid. It likes to do stupid shit like miss your limit orders or run your stops and then go in your direction while you're in the funded account. But I got 20 more minutes. Cause I think what Thursday, yeah, I got grabbed by the hands on Thursday. I didn't go to bed until about like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. Revenge trading silver, because silver, you know, because y'all guys, if y'all guys with me on that Thursday, that night stream on Thursday, silver went in my direction. It misses my target by like 4 ticks. It pushes higher. It stops me out off stream, and then it goes up maybe like 5 or 10 ticks, I think, and then it crashes down. So I was livid, completely livid, and I was like, no, I gotta get this money back. I went from micro silver to silver, and I was up a good bit. I made my money back, but I was just so livid. I mean, nothing was going to make me happy. I was up about 22 or 3K or some shit like that. I was just so mad, and of course, silver pops right back up and stops me out. And then I wake up the next morning and see that the market completely crashes. I was like, you know what? I don't know how I got caught in that. I don't know how silver grabbed me by the hand like that and just started to play with my emotions the way it did. But it executed it perfectly. It was like a symphony, man. A symphony. I mean, like I said, I could have closed the position out, but I was just like, nah, you're gonna pay me, dude. He got me up past my bedtime and shit. You're gonna pay me. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna crash. It just sucks. Man, go figure it out, man. Either crash or push back up, fill my limit. Just do. Yeah, I'm closed out by now. Or man. That looks like it's gonna flush. I mean, if this thing doesn't flush, it'll be a surprise to me. Well, actually, let me look at this because, all right, so we got them breaking the 21 EMA. The bears tried once. The bears went higher. They tried twice. We could see a squeeze here. We could see a squeeze here. Because that's the bears trying to break the 50 EMA twice. This is like a two-legged pullback. They went higher. They tried to sell it again. Looks like they're failing. Looks like they're getting squeezed out of their positions right now. All right, well, we'll see. We'll see. As long as it gets filled. That's the only rule. So we're getting a lot of buying pressure, a lot of aggressive buyers. And these sellers are getting stopped out. And this is why I really enjoy trading gold, because you can kind of see the price action. The price action tells a story. The bears failed, so now they're getting stopped out. These are buy stops. And that's the pullback right there. Pullback to the 21. That's the pullback. So either they're going to hold here, the bears are going to hold, and we could potentially see a break, or we're going to see a push off the 21. I think we're going to see that push off the 21 though. Man, I wish I was able to get in this long. I hate watching this thing do this. Dang, nice push. Nice push. We got some aggressive buyers coming in. You know what? Let me see if I can actually find a spot to put this in. Let me see. Let me see where. Mm. Come on, Bears, you can do it. Or Bulls, you can do it. Push it until it fills the order and then go away. Fill those orders and then go away. Mm. And the Bears are really trying to sell it at this, man. Look at all this aggressive selling that we got in gold, right? God damn, look at all that aggressive selling. Hey, just get to my limit order before y'all do that, man. Come on, help. Come on, get to my fill my limit first and then sell this thing. But yeah, it's how like this thing's gonna probably push higher, man. I'm saying all this, but it's gonna probably push higher. All right, like I said, if it crashes down, I'm gonna pull these orders. I'm not gonna play the game. I mean, if it touches that 200 EMA right here, I'm gonna pull the orders because I mean, shit. I mean, this is the move I'm looking for right here. And anything, I mean, this is already a double top rejection right there. It already made the move I'm looking for. I mean, this is low key the move I'm looking for right here. Low key. I would have loved to have been a part of this move right here, but she did the same thing she did to me on the bottom, but she did it to, she missed my sell order the same way that she missed my buy limit. Like, literally damn, she literally missed me by a point. I got missed by a point. Wow. And they both, shit. Okay. All right. Ah, shit. Wow. Okay. I mean, that would have been nice if it just filled me, man. This would have been nice. I mean, honestly, I probably would have taken my profits down here. That would have been a 10-point play right there. It just filled me and then came back. That would have been 10 points right there. It just seems like it just doesn't want to give that to me. see if it flushes low. Yeah, I'm gonna pull that order. Okay. All right. And if it honestly, so if it does pull back here, my time limit is about to so this is what I'll do. As long as it doesn't crash down here, I'll keep my limits on the chart. As long as it doesn't crash down. But if it does, I'm going to pull these orders and lock out the account until like tomorrow morning or something like that. Man, that is just so disappointing. That's so disappointing, man. That is so disappointing. That's so disappointing, man. So disappointing. Okay. All right, that's the move I was looking for right there. So. Right now I'm frustrated, disappointed. I had 2 good trades, like literally missed me by points. I think bounced at 86. This missed me by about 2 points. This literally misses me by 1. Okay. Funny how that works. Mm. Oh, you said there's new hold on. New music's playing? Yeah, it's just a lofi playlist that I have just randomly playing. But hey, if you like it. Okay. Well, like I said, that was disappointing. That was disappointing. That's the move I was looking for. I don't necessarily trust shorts. I mean, I don't necessarily trust longs either. I don't trust any of that. Oh, did you? Shouldn't be. Oh shit, you might be right. No. Okay, no, I don't have it up. Sometimes I have multiple YouTube pages open and something could randomly just be oh, actually, you know what? Let's see what this is doing. Okay. Okay, I shouldn't have anything up. Well, okay. I mean, no, it could have been because I had another YouTube page open, so I don't know what the heck what could have been playing. Hopefully, I don't get a copyright strike or some shit like that. I mean, I'm not even. I don't monetize any of my streams. Like I said, that's not what I'm here for. So, I mean, I don't think I'll get hit with anything, any monetization or something like that. But all right, I mean. Man, that is heartbreaking, man. That is so heartbreaking. That is heartbreaking. That is heartbreaking, man. Okay. That is heartbreaking. All right. Mm. I don't know, man. Dude, I don't know. I don't know. Like in my mind, I'm thinking to myself, why? 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 Mm, Why? Why? The best thing for me to do right now is to probably lock out my account and just wait until tomorrow. But logically, I know that's what I should do. But I'm so caught up emotionally right now. I'm emotionally invested in now making I'm low key revenge trading right now because it missed me long, it missed me short. I feel like I know the market doesn't owe me anything, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to pull both of those orders. I'm gonna have to pull both of them. All right, so this is the compromise that I've made with myself. I will pull this order and lock out the account at the end of the stream. I'm not gonna do what I did Friday again. I'll lock the account out until tomorrow morning. Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at the Nasdaq now. Yeah. Yeah, if you didn't get in at that push at the open. It looks like that's like the only time that the Nasdaq actually does something is at the open. I mean, other than that, it doesn't do anything. It's Chop City. And I wouldn't be too comfortable trying to long Nasdaq because we have broken structure to the downside. I mean, we did get that push, but I believe that that's just people that were getting stopped out on Friday's price action. You can see that I think a lot of people, a lot of bulls were trying to buy this thing as it went down. And then a lot of people started to just flip short because every time they would buy it, the market would just crash down. So I think they just flipped short. And then finally the market swept the liquidity underneath Friday's low. And then we saw this push up, taking out the liquidity above these highs right here. And now we're seeing price consolidated above these highs. So I think the market is trying to determine who it wants to fuck. It's going to try to get both sides, obviously. I mean, it already got the bulls. It turned around and it got the bears. And now it's consolidating. So I'm pretty sure a lot of people are probably in this short, especially the people that just got stopped out short. They're probably trying to get into this short. The bulls are trying to get into it long. I think we'll probably see a breakout, and then I think we're going to see a candle that takes out both buy and sell side liquidity, and then it's going to choose its direction after that. Once it just takes out as much people as possible. Once it takes out as much people as possible. I mean, man, what a beautiful short. So I was short at 23. So I would be up about almost 20 points right here, 18 points. If this thing came back and filled my order. What I would have hated is if I got into it short and then it pops up. I would have hated that. And I felt like it would have done that. I mean, we did see a double top right here. I mean, we did see a lot of selling aggression there. Okay, well. Man, that would have been a beautiful short, man. Okay. I have a feeling that gold is going to probably try to grab me by the hand here. I have a feeling she's going to try to grab me by the hand. No, but yeah, if it doesn't fill me in the next 10 minutes, then I'll log out the account. What I don't want to happen here is that obviously it finally fills me and it's a losing trade. I would hate that because the account will lock me out then for sure. But probably just do 9 ticks next time because that's insane. Okay, well, hopefully gold doesn't do me dirty here because it looks like it's highly probable I'll get filled here. Just hopefully she doesn't do me dirty. I wonder if we're going to see a rejection right there. Yeah, lone wolf, it definitely is, man. It definitely is. Mm, mm, mm. Looks like the Nasdaq and gold is just playing with emotions tonight. Okay. All right. Yeah, the weekly close. I mean, it just kind of missed it. I missed it. All right. Well, looks like gold is she's just not going to cooperate with me tonight. I don't know why. I don't know why, but what I'm going to do with this account, because for whatever reason I'm having a hard time in it. I'm going to lock this account until about I'm going to take the initial balance trade in this account. So to hold myself accountable in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to pull that order and lock out this account until 9:30 tomorrow. Probably you know, honestly, I hate restricting myself like that, because I know that as soon as I lock myself out like that, I mean, this thing's going to set up, excuse me, perfectly, and it's going to hurt my feelings. Okay, I got 30 seconds. So yeah, I'll take the initial balance trade tomorrow. In this account. Man, that's so disappointing, man. That is just so freaking disappointing. That is so freaking disappointing. So disappointing. I don't know what happened there. Could have been done, but it just decided to do this stupid shit right here. Probably just thought me out, like literally at the tick or something like that. Okay. All right. I'm gonna pull this order. All right. So I'm gonna give myself 3 minutes before the initial balance completes, and I'll just take that trade. All right. All right, guys. I mean, I'm just I don't know, man. I'm not angry or anything. It's just that it's just so. I don't know what word to use to describe how I feel. It's just. I just hate it. I just hate it, man. Just hate it. I don't know why gold decided just to stop right here. Don't know why. I thought I was gonna go a little bit higher, but it chose not to do that. So, well, I guess what I should say is that I just don't know why it just missed me by a point. I mean, and then it missed me by 2 points right here. All right, so I locked the account out. I pulled the order. I think I had my order at, I think I had it at like 97.6 or something like that. 97.9. So I think I had it at 97.9. I think. We'll see if this is yeah, I had it like at 97.9. 97.9. Okay. But all right, guys, that's gonna be it for me today. I do appreciate everybody that joined me tonight. We'll definitely come back tomorrow morning, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. But before I go, I kind of want to share with you guys what I'm gonna start doing moving forward. So I'm going to focus on gold, but I also will be trading a little bit of Nasdaq. I've been back testing this EMA strategy with Nasdaq. I'm not taking Nasdaq seriously anymore. Nasdaq is just not consistent enough for me. So silver and gold, or when it comes to when I ask myself which instrument between silver and gold, gold presents more opportunities, and I believe more people trade gold. So I decided just to focus on gold and put silver to the side for a while. Just only focus on one instrument, at least for right now. But like I said, I will still be kind of trading Nasdaq on the side a little bit. If something presents itself on Nasdaq, we'll take the trade on Nasdaq, but I'll definitely just be focusing more on gold. So that's what I'm going to be doing moving forward. And tonight was not, like I said, tonight was not the best night, but with gold, the one thing that we can trust is that once the market breaks to the downside, even though it kind of chopped up and down, we didn't see any randomness that we would have saw if we were in a Nasdaq trade. So that's probably the main reason why I decided just to focus on gold. And what that will do is just focus it on one instrument instead of trading between three. Instead of splitting my focus between three instruments, I can just focus purely on gold, and we can start taking some really great trades on gold. Really great trades. So yeah. But we'll definitely come back tomorrow morning, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out.